Hey, it's Fuzzy. Today I want to do a review on a stick welder. Now, this is a 120 volt stick welder, okay? That's your ground, your wire. Comes with a chipper and a wire brush on the end of it, okay? Comes with an extra handle. Now, this particular model comes with 3 welding rods, a glass to look through, and a mask to put it in, okay? Now, so there's your switch, on, off, and then right here is you push this down and you throw a welding rod in there, okay? So you throw that in there like that, and she stays. When you're ready to weld, just give her on the trigger. All right, we're gonna give her a try with some metal right here, and I'll come back right back to you. Okay, we got our ground on, we got some metal, and now we're gonna turn it on. Okay, we got our welding rod. I got my glasses on. Now we're gonna give her. Boy, it burns those 1432 rods off real quick. I'll tell you what. You can't keep up with it. It's burning so fast. But anyway, you got your self a weld. And get that off there. By the way, I'm on a 30 amp fuse too. Now, I don't know if it'll work on a 15 amp. But you can try it. Oh. All right, there you go. Makes a nice little weld. This is 1/8 stuff. Oh, I'm not sure if it would, 1/4 inch might be a little bit too much. 3/16 might be okay. With that rod, you could try 11/32 too. And then go from there, right? So yeah, makes a nice little weld. Good enough for patching stuff or making small little things. But all in all, nice little welder, man. And convenient. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.